These are Gateron's new EverFree Cedar switches. Let's break them down. They cost 28 cents a piece. They have a polycarbonate top housing, a nylon bottom housing, a POM stem, 3.6mm travel distance with a long pole bottom out, and a 55-gram spring. They come pre-lubed with what looks like a grease-based lubricant that is primarily on the stem sliders. Let's listen to how they sound, do a comparison between these Gateron Deepings and HMX cheese, and then wrap it up. A quick reminder that you will get the most out of sound tests if you listen with headphones and lower the volume until the background noise matches that of your environment. To my ear, they sound slightly muted compared to the Deepings and much lower pitched compared to the HMX cheese. I had some in my batch that had small amounts of sounds coming from the springs, but that could easily be fixed. I'd bet these would pass Boca Bob's lazy test. Shout out, Bob. In other words, I wouldn't fault you for using these stock. Here's the lube compared to the Deepings and the cheese. Overall, I think these are a solid switch if you want a deeper or slightly muted long pull. I prefer both HMX and Deepings to these, but they are more expensive. Hope this helps. Please consider liking or subscribing. Thanks.